Clortech manufactures custom-made cutting tools for the aerospace sector. We work in high-speed, cobalt materials, powder materials, carbides, carbide tips, and CVD diamond-coated tools. We're making the tool the best tool for that particular application. Now, we're not producing a catalog item, we're actually tailoring the tool to the application the customer needs. The level of quality we produce is second to none. There is not one tool that leaves the facility that has not passed final inspection. We also have an in-process inspection where our tools are constantly monitored in process at every stage of the operation. Pratt & Whitney issues a Quality Achievement Award to suppliers that achieve a TV level of less than 1%. At Clortech, we have won the award every single year over the past 10 years. The complexity has gotten far greater than it was in the past. However, technology has caught up and we have simulation software where we could simulate cutting parameters, which makes the tool the highest performance tool. The culture at Clortech is solution-oriented. We love to solve problems. We are there to find a solution from A to Z, that is from the design, the testing, and the manufacturing of the product. Clients are number one. We treat our clients the way we want to be treated as clients. That is, we do our utmost to make them happy, to solve their issues, to make the experience a positive experience for them so that they return and we grow our client base by that mentality. We've had experiences where our customers have decided to go elsewhere and try our competition because of the enticing price that they were quoted. However, they quickly returned to us because of the quality, and we've never lost a client ever since. My name is Patrick Matei, and I'm Vice President at Clortech Tools.